Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to visualize 3D candlestick chart in Blender using Python. Okay, so I'm gonna do this stuff. So before going into Blender and visualization step, I must say that you should visit this post which contains all of the details related to Blender consists of Python. Okay, and this correlation gives giving the chart and the Rinko part. Okay, so at least 3 videos are related to Rinko. Okay, especially how you can create the bar graph and can put the numbers and price, and then especially from CSV files how you can generate all of this, and you can control from the CSV file as well. Okay, so do visit them. And even I talked about how you can utilize the Blender and can code stuff. So one of the best starting method will be this. Okay, so Blender has a special purpose to visualize, to all of get work done of 3D animation and other stuff. Okay, so if the main thing about this video, as the starting of the video, I just the installation part and the how you can install the packages. So all of the things have been talked here. So this is basic necessity, and I'm repeating this step every part of my video. Okay, this is just for beginner. If it is you are not aware about the Blender, just go through the post. It will be easy to understand what I'm talking about as of right now. Okay, so suppose if I got this stuff, okay, all you need is this code. Okay, so 3D visualization is as part of the Renko chart. If you just put the blocks and if you just move diagonally with the red and green, it will be helpful. Okay, but to get with the candlestick chart, it is quite complicated. Okay, so as we are moving towards the uh, process day by day, okay, the things is getting easier and easier. Okay, to make it more easier, okay, I just say that today we are going to import this nifty bank, and I want to import the data. Say suppose if I'm looking for the as of today's data. Okay, all I can say that instead of to date I can just say from date. Okay, so I'm not gonna code this stuff. You can just try, you just copy paste with these things, and today all you gonna learn all about is SVG, support vector graphics. Okay, so we will definitely gonna learn more in our upcoming videos, but as of right now what I'm gonna look is, instead of PNG, all you have to say .svg. Okay, and the simple method will be there that you can import this stuff with the help of BPY, Blender Python. So if you just paste this stuff, candle.svg, and import candle.svg. Okay, so wherever you are putting your file, just put the path file name. Okay, and you are good to go. Okay, definitely you required a token and client ID. Okay, so have an account with Fires. Okay, check link in the description, and then just go with these things. Okay, so as of right now we are done with the post. Okay, so this is the basic which I must say. Okay, especially this is what I say will be cover all of the final steps related to like in import of charts and visualization. Okay, so I must say that go for this stuff. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, I've started the Blender, and all you need to do is go to the general part. Okay, so whatever the blocks are there, just delete them. Okay, and you have to press a key as a 7. Okay, so what it will do, it will move our y and x coordinates in a proper way. So that is what we required. Okay, so this coordination system is very much important. Okay, so to get all this stuff, the basic post is important. Okay, so go through step by step videos and then the code, so it will be very much helpful. So if you get this if you click on this files, you will get an as an import. Now image as planes is okay. This inbuilt stuff is there with Blender, okay, which says scalable vector graphics. Okay, so you need to import this stuff. So if I click on this one, I will get to my folder. So I have a file which is already, which says candle.svg. So all just click on this one and I say import svg. Okay, so while importing, as you can see, by right hand side candle.svg, and every support vector graphics have been created. Okay, so now if you see that it's not able to visible these things where I'm looking for. Okay, so what you can do, just keep your mouse and scroll front. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll front, you will get the chart. Okay, the chart which we see in our the matplotlib. Okay, even which I'm utilizing as MPL Finance, which is same as matplotlib only. Okay, and it gives the best visualization. Okay, and I've been already covered for these topics. So I must say, if you go through this video, it will be very much helpful. So all of the things is combined in this Blender, and be able to visualize this stuff possible only through in previous whatever the work we have been done. Okay, so it is necessary. Now what I have to say, I just have to press A, nothing else. Okay, just press A and it will get get selected. Okay, and I can move easily. It is 0,0 as of in this it gets created, so it is perfect. It get attached to this part, and all I have to do is I have to move the stuff wherever I want. Okay, so suppose, and the object which I need to move is this method. So by left side, just take this stuff and just move. Okay, so if you try to move, you can do this. Okay, so wherever you want to keep, so we can zoom easily and can see what can be done from here. So it's better keep it in a center. Okay, so as you can see, we got our data. Okay, so as of right now, we already have a background in a white background we have. Okay, so we just try to check from a white background. Okay, so if you see this stuff, we just click once, everything is get selected. So as you can see, we can see our candle data. Okay, so this is how we'll get our candle data. So as of this is today's data, the market has been went for a downfall, so it has reached up to 53,800. So as you can see, this is how the data which you can visualize. Okay, which is picture perfect. So as of right now, I just try to see some stuff. So already this block is selected. So suppose if I don't want the white background and I'm looking for each and everything, so it is this is scalable, as it suggested, scalable vector graphics, SVG. So it is scalable, and how it is scalable I'm going to show. Okay, so first of all, if you want, you can remove the background. Okay, anywhere you want, just take it out. Okay, otherwise you just delete it, no issues. And this is also white background, one more white background which you can take it out. Okay, so this is the scalable vector graphics is helpful. Okay, and all you are doing is just coding in a Python. Okay, giving the SVG file and just importing this stuff. Okay, now if you press A, you just try to move wherever you want the lines to be get done. So suppose 53,800 is there. Okay, and I just want to zoom in this, and I want to look what it is happening. I just try to move here and there. Okay, and try to keep it focus wherever I'm looking for. Okay, so suppose this graph I'm looking for, in between I just try to keep it and see what this candlestick got, or what kind of a pattern it got. Okay, so if I keep this, I'm able to zoom. Okay, even if I just want to see the way I look for, so this is how you can go. Okay, so this is how you can visit and can check the way which you're looking for. Okay, black and white, whichever the way you want. So already it's got a background, a white background. If you want to look in that way, so it is also cool. Otherwise you can go in this way. Okay, so each and everything is movable. You can, like, move it to any position you want, and just try to scroll. It will be helpful. Okay, so mostly what happens, this is another way to visualization and customized way for your visualization. Okay, and as we see this data, even some of the things which we can move. Okay, so every point of these things, it is movable. It is not like that we can't move. So suppose if I want to analyze this graph, okay, can, like, I can't, like, move this as well. Okay, if I want to utilize this as a resistance and support, okay, I can utilize, and even the x and coordinates also I can do. Okay, so this is how also you can do. Okay, and so suppose if I want to, like, as I understand this x and y coordinates, this 53,900, all the stuff, you want to keep it in synchronized way. Okay, so I can understand them in a better way to analyze. Just keep it this lines in this. Okay, and if I just move this stuff, I able to see some of, like, 53,900 is there, 53,950 and 54,000, like that. Okay, so this is how you can do for the numbers. Even this blocks and the format of lines, okay, will be helpful to analyze. Okay, so this is how you can do. Okay, some of the stuff which you can try. Okay, even if I say that I want to measure certain things, certain level, I wanna check if, otherwise I just want to put certain things and see whether the graph or the line, the pattern which I'm trying, is working for me or not. Okay, so this will be helpful. Okay, so all of the stuff, you just see certain things and try to measure. You just got a graph. Okay, you have to keep in dimensions, you have to keep in a scale, and then if you try to measure, it will be helpful with the way you're looking for. Okay, and you can create the lines which you looking for, and by left hand side you got a lot of things which you can utilize. Okay, if you just get with the edit mode, okay, a number of things are there which you can, like, if you just try to plot, it will be helpful. I must say that especially this goes with the 2D animation as well. Okay, so if you just try this 2D animation, that is also will be helpful. All you need to do is you need to set your coordinates as an y and x. Okay, y upper and x. Keep this, will be helpful. Just scroll and you can see the stuff. Okay, okay, so this is how you see the stuff. And if I just move to the layout, not even this, okay, you can move any candle you want, wherever you want you can move the candles. Suppose if I just click this move button and can take wherever I want. So this is scalable vector graphics. Okay, as of right now moving, as of no use, but you can see wherever you want to put this stuff and want to analyze. Okay, the way which you are looking for, just keeping the candles data and creating some graph, that will be helpful. So I must say that if you want to import some particular day data as an yesterday, and it will be very much helpful as per visualization, as per planning your trades, and if you want to trade your plan. So that is how this blender will be helpful. Okay, in this animation, a lot of things which have, so all apps are imagination is the limit. Okay, so how much you can imagine, you can go for this blender. Okay, it is not compulsory to be sticked in a traditional chart. Okay, the chart consists of the same things. Okay, they try to give stuff as a drawing as other stuff and all, but you can do it for yourself, can customize. Okay, and even you can animate. Okay, so suppose if I want to animate some of the graphs, so suppose if I put this 2 or 3 graphs here and I want to visualize, you know say suppose if I got as a curve that is 326. Okay, I just add modifier. So I will just say build and I will keep it as a 1 to 30 for this, and I will randomize, and then I will go for one more block which I want. So this will be another block. So I will just add modifier build, and from this what I'm gonna do is I will keep it from 30 to 60. Okay, so if I keep this stuff and I just go with one more add modifier, just build from 60 to 90, just keep randomize. So this is what I'm doing is manually. This can be automated as well. Okay, so if I start this stuff, so as you can see, this is gonna build. Okay, so this is in between. You just went and you just try to visualize, you just replay this stuff. Okay, and you can see even you can create any of those things and just play. It will be helpful. Okay, you can animate the way you're looking for. Okay, and can keep some of the lines which way you want. Okay, so I must say do try this stuff. Okay, I will definitely gonna put the coding part into my description. Okay, so do check it out. Okay, otherwise I already told you how you can do this stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.